Hello students, welcome to the Jan classes. Today we will see about the superscript, subscript and the special symbol in HTML. This is my sixth tutorial about the HTML. In this tutorial we will see the superscript and the subscript. Firstly, I will clear the what is meant by superscript. Like as we generally use the mathematical formulas, a square plus b square equals to c square. This 2 which is shown in the screen, a raised to the power 2, this 2 is called the superscript, means which is present in the upper part of the alphabet, right? A square plus b square, this one is this square is a superscript, equals to c square, and subscript log to the base 2. This 2 is shown at the bottom of the log, that's why it is called the subscript. Okay, this superscript and the subscript we will create in the HTML. Okay, so for that, open the HTML, open the Notepad++, because we will do the coding in the Notepad++ now. In the Notepad++, I will create the new file. In the new file, firstly HTML tag open, HTML tag close. Okay, in the HTML we will do the coding in the body section, that's why body section open and body section close. As I have already told you, the tag which is open have to be it is compulsory to close that tag. Okay, and the to close that tag we will use the backslash. Okay, for that now I want to create the superscript, means a square plus b square equals to c square. For that, a superscript, for to create the superscript we will take the sup. Okay, sup, and sup is a tag for superscript and backslash sup. Okay, for superscript I will write the a square, we want the 2 as the upper part, so a square. Okay, just save this program in our folder HTML final folder. This is the 6th tutorial, so tutorial HTML tutorial 6 dot HTML. Okay, all files, just save this. Okay, now I have to run this program. So in the HTML file, HTML tutorial 6, HTML tutorial 6, just run it. You can see a raised to the power 2. Okay, a square is created. Now we want the plus b square, so we will write plus b, again superscript tag open, so superscript tag close. In the superscript I will write the 2. Okay, just save this and again refresh this, plus b square. Now I want the equal to c square. For that I will write equal to c, again superscript and backslash superscript, in that 2. Just save this and again run this, equal to c square. Okay, this one is a superscript. Okay, now I have to create the subscript. For that I will use log to the base I want, so sub tag open, so sub tag close, subtag close, and in the subtag log to the base 2. Just save this, log to the base 2 45. Okay, just save this and I want log to the base 2 16 na, log to the base 2 16 equals to, what is equal to x, equal to x. Okay, just save this and now run it. Okay, next line I want this in next line, so I will apply the BR tag. Just save this and run it. Okay, now I want the superscript done, subscript done. Now I will use the special character symbols. Okay, so I will write the special characters. So I will write BR tag. Just save this and now special character symbol, special character symbol. Okay, just BR. As you already saw my previous video, then you can easily grasp what I am doing, right? In the body tag I simply write this special character symbol, that line as it is print on the web page, because it is created in the body, it is written in the body tag. Okay, now I want the copyright symbol. Okay, so for that I will write the ampersand copy. Okay, everyone knows the copyright symbol. Okay, ampersand copy semicolon, due to that the copyright symbol is done. Okay, just save this and run it. You can see the copyright symbol is here. Okay, this one is the copyright symbol. Now I want the in front of copyright symbol to company name, just break it, just save it, now run it. Okay, to company name is here. Now hello, in the hello world you can see hello world. Okay, as it is printed on the web page, hello world. Okay, now I want the gap between these two hello world, means hello and then too much gap I want, and then world will be seen. For that, hello ampersand NBSP. NBSP stands for the number of space required. Okay, NBSP semicolon. Okay, just save this and now refresh it. Okay, one space is created. Now I want the more spaces. That's why for that NBSP semicolon ampersand NBSP semicolon. Okay, just save this and refresh it. Okay, you can see the gap is created between the hello world. Okay, now I want the text box and the label. For that, username colon input type equals to double quote text, double quote complete, greater than sign. Just save this and run it. you can see username text box. Okay, I want this in the next line, so I will use the br tag. Just save this and run it. Okay, now I want the gap between the text box and the username. For that I will apply this one, ampersand NBSP. Just copy this and put here. Okay, NBSP semicolon. Just save this and run it. Okay, the gap is created between this. Now I want the less than, greater than symbols. Okay, we can simply write I want to use the coding. For that I will write ampersand LT. Okay, semicolon. By using this, the less than will be created, and ampersand GT semicolon. From this, greater than symbol is created. Just save this and now run it. Okay, less than symbol and greater than symbol. I can't use this comment here. Okay, because this is the HTML. In the HTML, comment is not available. Multi-line comment is not available. Okay, for that, less than and greater than sign is created. Just refresh this, less than and greater than sign. Okay, to create the quote, single quote, I will use the ampersand QUOT. By this, the single quote will be double quote will be created. Double quote, you can see the double quote. Okay, now for the single quote, I will write APOS apostrophe. Okay, just semicolon and just save it and refresh it. Okay, apostrophe S. Okay, now for the registration sign, I will use the REG, register symbol. You know very well. Okay, register symbol in front of to company name. Company name I want, so just save it and refresh it. Copyright symbol, register symbol, you can see. Okay, in the next line I want this, that's why br tag you can apply. Okay, just save it and refresh it. Okay, register symbol is here. Now again br tag. I want the left arrow. For that, ampersand LARR means left. ARR stands for the left arrow. Okay, so then B. Okay, just save it and run it. Left arrow is created by the coding. Okay, left arrow. After that, I want the right arrow. A ampersand RARR, right arrow, semicolon B. Just save this and run it. Okay, A, right arrow, B. Okay, I want this in the next line. That's why I will apply the break line. BR tag. Okay, just save this and yeah, you can see there. Okay, now I want the upper arrow. For that, the UARR semicolon UARR. For the downward arrow, I want the ampersand DA double R, downward, D stands for the downward, semicolon. Just save these and now run it. That means here you can create the multiple special character symbol in the HTML. Okay. Now I want the delta sign. For that, ampersand delta semicolon A plus ampersand delta semicolon B equal to ampersand delta semicolon C. Okay, now break line. Just save this and now run it. This is a delta sign. Break line, apply the break line character. Just save this and now run it. Okay, ampersand delta A plus delta B equals to delta C. Okay, if you want the gamma symbol, so you can write the ampersand gamma, just semicolon and run it. Just refresh it, you can see the gamma symbol is here. Okay, this is all about the special character symbol, superscript and subscript we can use in the HTML file. Okay, this is all about. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.